I swear I put gas in this car every single time I drive it. Every day. I'm not even joking. Why does that shit sound like that? No more gas? What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Brought the GTR out because today, well tonight, we're going to a little Carmeet. We haven't put the new wheels on yet. We're gonna be doing it tomorrow morning, but tonight is the last night with these stock wheels. I'm actually gonna miss them, I'm not gonna lie. They do look good for a stock wheel. They're the black edition wheels, so they're a little more sporty. 38 bucks. And that was like half a tank. So yeah, I'm excited. Tomorrow morning, early, we're gonna be putting the new wheels on. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. So stay tuned for that video. But we just got some gas. We're gonna hit this little Carmeet. Right now, we're just waiting for the homie Fresh Kicks to pull up, and then we're out. And we're late, like always. Hopefully this Carmeet doesn't get shut down, but I heard that's gonna be super packed. A lot of people are gonna go, I think. Damn. New taillights? New wheels? New everything. Bro, it's way louder.
Oh yeah, I got so many done.
You got new exhaust, new taillights, and the new wheels. Damn. Must be nice. Bro, it's so freaking clean. Makes me want an old JDM car. If I get one, I'm gonna get an R32, I think. If I got like something old school, it'll be sick. It's so nice though, bro. Like straight out of a video game. Damn. What? Remote start? Who started that? But the homie Sebastian came through. The all full carbon fiber GTR. I'm so jealous. Goals. Oh, I want that GTR so bad. Bro, it literally makes my GTR look so freaking stock. It's literally everything you possibly could do to a GTR. And the full carbon fiber is just ridiculous, bro. It's crazy. Oh my God. In a video game, bro. And 3 boys. I missed mine. Guys, look, there's already a helicopter in the air. Kevin's calling me again. Look at Kevin. That's his driver's license. But by the looks of it, I think it is shut down. Yeah, I think the shit is definitely shut down. I see a bunch of cars leaving, and there's a helicopter right there.
I don't even all the cars.
Name them quick. G35, Infinity, G37, BMW. It's hard on. It's hard to name a bunch of cars. Oh shit, that's a cop.
That's my boy right there.
That's a helicopter.
Alright, ready?
This place is definitely shut down. I see you, Kevin. Look at Kevin over there. Bro, why is your car orange? Bro, this is crazy. Look at the streets. It's all like modified cars, bro, everywhere. Oh, I hear the cops, you know. He said everybody out. Why do I feel like I'm getting chased by a helicopter right now? He said everybody out.
It's a bird.
This is Need for Speed right here. We got 5 stars on us. FindingNick? Guys, look at this. It literally is like Fast and Furious, bro. The streets are full of cars, Miatas, Subis, Infinities, 240s, everything. Sick ass food with a camel wrap. Ooh, this shit's clean. Carbon fiber everywhere. Bro, look at all these Japanese cars, dude. Look at this shit. We definitely gotta dip soon. I guess there's a third location that we might try to go to. I don't know. I'm just following him, so we'll see. This one's a lot more chill. There's no cops, no helicopter. Wow, dude. This is my favorite GTR, I swear. I'm not even kidding. I love this GTR. Favorite GTR build ever. I'm not even joking. You guys know I love the red. I love the black. And this body kit, these wheels, everything about it is just so mean. So sick.
And it was just sitting in the garage for like 2 months.
I'll take it home if you want me to.
He's been driving his
Let me open it. Let's just pretend this is mine for right now. Bro, look at the headliner. That's sick. I definitely would do that, bro. Some people might say it's a little too much, but I think it's sick, bro. Like driving a race car on the streets. Wide body S2K. Oh, this is my favorite NSX too. I've seen this car at a lot of car meets. So nice, bro. It's literally perfect. I would not change a single thing on this car. It's literally perfect. Wow, dude. This thing is crazy. Fast and the Furious. Look at all these people looking at Fresh Kid's car. F80. This is probably one of the cleanest F80s I've ever seen. It's all black. I think it has HREs, which are super expensive. I think these wheels are like 10 grand. I think they're freaking ridiculous. This hood is so sick. If I got an F80, I would definitely do that hood. This thing looks clean. Is your car G? Yes. What happened to yours?
You know what happened to it.
Bro, come on, Kevin. Dude, it's freaking clean. It's so sick, all black. And then another Sylvia right here. Blue. Another F80.
I think it's 80.
Is it F80?
Yeah.
Dang. Look at the whole Beamer squad that Kevin pulled up with. We got my E92 right here. My twin, dude. If only my car was actually red paint. Paint just looks so much better than wrap. We got an M4 CS. That car's super fast, I heard. We got Kevin's pumpkin over here. We got another F80. Reminds me of Joseph's right here. We got an M2. Which one would you guys take? All these Beamers. I think I'll go with the CS. The CS is pretty freaking sick. You guys have seen this car plenty of times in my vlogs, but look at all the carbon fiber, dude. Literally so much carbon fiber. These seats are goals. And these wheels, dude. My dream wheels for my M3. BBS's with the red caps. It's hard. Oh, I missed it. But there was RX-7. You can kind of hear it. I love the rotaries, bro.
Alright, they're shut down.
Later.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.